Okay, this problem is from Module 6. It's graphically solving a system of linear equations. So the problem asks that we graph the system below and write a solution. So our two equations are y equals 1/4 x minus 1 and negative 2x plus y equals 6. Note that you can also answer no solution or infinitely many solutions. So the graphs of the equations are lines. A solution of this system of equations is a point where the lines intersect. There are three possibilities: exactly one solution, meaning that the lines intersect at a single point; infinitely many solutions, meaning that the two lines wind up being the same line; and no solution, and this occurs when the two lines are different and parallel. So the first thing you should notice is that one equation is in slope-intercept form, and the other equation is not in slope-intercept form. So what we'd like to do is first get this negative 2x plus y equals 6 in slope-intercept form. And it's pretty easy to do. We have to get y by itself. This negative 2x, we want to move it to the right side. And in order to do that, we can add 2x to both sides. And what will happen on the left, 2x's will become 0. We bring down the y, so we get y equals on the right 2x plus 6. So these are the two equations that we are graphing. Y equals 1/4 x minus 1 and y equals 2x plus 6. Now what we'd like to do is identify the slope and the y-intercept for each equation. So for the first equation, y equals, I'm going to write it up here, right? Y equals 1/4 x minus 1. The slope is the number that is in front, is the coefficient of the x, so that would be 1/4. And the y-intercept is negative 1. For the second equation, y equals 2x plus 6. The slope, once again, the number in front of the x, so my slope will be 2, and my y-intercept will be 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph those two, and our graph is located here at the bottom. So the 1/4 x minus 1. First thing, let's graph the y-intercept, and the y-intercept will be here. That line is a little difficult to see there. So negative 1 is the y-intercept, and the slope is 1/4. That means we go up one space and 4 spaces to the right. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is draw a line in between those 2 points. All right, then let's expand that line a bit. All right, so there's our first equation. Our second equation, 2x plus 6, the y-intercept is at 6, so crosses the y-axis at positive 6. And the slope is 2. That means we go up 2 spaces and 1 to the right. And we're going to draw a point between, going to draw a line between those 2 points once again. All right, and let's extend the line. Now, we can see that the two lines intersect one time at this specific point, and it looks like the coordinates of that point would be -4, -2. So there's one solution here, and it is located at x equals -4, y equals -2.